the test, and treatments are available, but often uncomfortable or they involve surgery. But a new therapy using a laser is having remarkable results in just 20 minutes.
Bedtime at the Fitzgerald house.
Very lucky, I love him.
I was watching him before all this started, and he's like his whole body is trying to suck in the air. But that can't be healthy.
61-year-old Martin's snoring is worse than ever, despite having surgery 20 years ago.
I don't think it was a great success, and it was terribly painful.
Wife Patsy has encouraged him to try a new laser therapy called Night Laze.
We get a shrinkage of the palatal tissue, and that opens up the airways. Here we go.
This procedure takes just 20 minutes, and what's most appealing for patients is that there's no surgery and no need for anaesthetic.
No pain, no discomfort. The real difference is when I wake in the morning, I'm feeling a lot fresher than I used to.
50-year-old Chris Carey has almost finished his treatment after a sleep study found snoring was waking him up 26 times an hour.
Snoring is a partial obstruction of the throat, and sleep apnea is a complete obstruction. So even snoring is not a healthy thing.
At least 3 treatments are recommended, and patients may be able to claim some money back on health insurance.
I was more than happy to do anything to create a bit of peace and harmony at home.
Georgia Main, 7 News.